Friends, hope you are doing well. In this video section, we will discuss currying in JavaScript. So let's start with the definition. Currying is an advanced technique of working with functions. It's used not only in JavaScript but in other languages as well. In the currying, we can transform a simple function into multiple smaller sequence of functions in which we can pass single argument at once. Currying is very important in many places, so we can start with the example. So let's create a function add a b and c, return a plus b plus c, add 1 2 3. This is a simple function. Yeah, need to console. This is a simple function in which we can pass three arguments, and we get output 6. Let's assume we need to call this function 10 times, maybe 100 times and 1000 times, and each time we can pass these three arguments. But we have a condition like this: the first one or first two arguments are same. Suppose the first two arguments will remain same, not change. The only third argument will repeatedly change. So in that case, the output is same, exact same, but the issue is that the are passing same things, same arguments on again and again. And if you know JavaScript, if you familiar with JavaScript, you know when the function is called, the function invocation, global execution context of this function created, and assign memories and allocation for these three variables again and again and again and again. And this memory allocation will consume our memory much more. To overcome this thing, and to save our memory, we turn this function into curried function. So let's create a curried version of this function. Function curry add a. If we now it will pass one by one arguments, 1 2 and 3, and the output is same as like this function. But the thing is that if we need to call this function 100 times and 1000 times, and we know the first two arguments, or maybe first one argument is still same, so we can do this thing in a better way. Let's const add 3 is equal to this, and add 3 pass 3, and we can call this with multiple arguments. This is the curried function of this function. In the global execution context for is created and assign this variables memory allocation, and then when we call this reference function with the third parameters with unique parameters, then only memory allocation for this single variable is created. So it's very important and a crucial thing for our programming. We This is the simple function of this function. We can achieve this with a better way. I will show you function curry fn return function curried of if args dot length is greater than or equal to func dot fn dot length, then return fn dot apply this args else args args2 args2. So this function will turn every any function into a curried function. So let's start to use. So const curry add is equal to curry pass add function, and then const add three suppose variable name curry at 1 and 2, and then console.log add 3. Oh, curry add, yes, that's a syntax error. Yes, now we turn this simple function into a curried function with this with expression. This function will turn every simple function into a curried function. It's very simple thing. n- you can use this currying in your everyday programming, but let's but think and dive deep into this currying. It's very amazing and important thing in JavaScript. So that's for the thing in today. Hope you will enjoy this video. We will meet in next session. Thanks for you watching.